good day, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay positive, think on possibilities. Normally, be walking in the morning when my shadows are afraid to, meet me outside. And last night I watched a very interesting Netflix show. I've been watching Netflix a lot, and with watching that, I went to bed quite late. Woke up back late this morning, and I'm going for a walk. Oi, who have I become? My shadows are meeting me outside. Oh yeah. So I'm doing my late morning walk. I consider this late because the traffic is here before me. The traffic will be here after me. But there's just something nice about walking early morning and just hearing the birds and hearing my own thoughts. There's something just nice about that. Ooh, in the early morning. Early morning. It's now after 7. This is considered early, but for me not. But early is relative, right? As you can tell, I'm being pulled by my monstro. We should be running, but I'm not in the mood to run. We are walking. Let's see how he gets with this new park. It's not a new park, but I think it's the first time I'm taking him to this park where he could play with other dogs. Ooh, handy. Okay. Hard. He didn't want to leave. Tama. ¿Satisfecha? No. Muchas gracias. No. We are walking back to the house. It takes 40 minutes to get to this park and it's 40 minutes to get back. Beautiful. He's still not tired? Where does this dog get so much energy from? Hey. Marisco, el pez azul. Comida. Food is always a good idea. It doesn't matter what time. To look a lot like Christmas. Came back home from the morning walk and now we are going for breakfast. Food is always a good idea. I'm only food motivated. Damn. Who have I become? What have I become?
Ella va a hacer unos huevos divorciados, el paquete de desayuno, monte. Y para mí las enchiladas de pollo con cappuccino. ¿Y cuál era la otra pregunta que quería?
El té, disculpe, sería de té verde, negro, de Jamaica.
Jamaica.
De Jamaica.
Cuente, cuento.
No, así está bien. Porque
Gracias.
los platillos vales. Gracias.
¿Cómo se llama este?
Sopes.
Sopes de frijol, chistoro,
Chorizo.
chorizo, and salsa is picante.
No, debe ser.
I like it.
Wait,
Guess what? We have a new addition to the family. So, my friend just came by. We had a long, wonderful evening. And I'm having her puppy. Her puppy's crying, so I'm gonna take her puppy out. Puppy. While we go for food. And also take her out with us because she's crying. I don't want to leave her alone here. Mamma mia.
Food is always a good idea.
Tarjeta amarilla para el delantero de los Tigres, ante también el reclamo de Miguel El Piojo Herrera, no lo puede creer. Quiñones consideraba que no era falta lo que le marcaron.
Ooh, we had tacos, late night tacos in Naranjito, and I am walking back home with my new addition to the family. So I'm gonna leave by saying, remember to stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.